So this is our banana wine. Okay. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video I want to prepare banana wine. So this is my banana. This is my banana. So now I want to wash it. This one no good. So this is banana, okay? So I want to add drinking water on it. So we are going to cover it and leave it for 3 days. Thank you very much for watching. So beautiful people, here is our banana wine. You see, it has ready to sieve. Okay, so I want to sieve it now. We leave it for 3 days. Wow, the aroma of this thing, eh? So this is our banana wine. Okay. So in case you want it to be continue to ferment for the fermentation, so that is why I keep it inside bottle. So this one you can take it and leave this one for 5 days, it will be continue. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comment. This is our wine, banana wine. Wow, this is yummy. It's nice. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. I will be taking it small because I don't want my eyes to be turning. Bye bye.
Yes.